I'm John William Otim, the Senior Assistant Academic Registrar of Nkumba University. Nkumba University is one of the oldest chartered universities, in fact private universities in Uganda. We got our charter in 2006, and from then we have kicked on and turned around lives of academicians at different levels. At the moment, we are running and operating under 7 schools, which include School of Education, School of Social Sciences, School of Sciences, School of Law, School of Business Administration, and then School of Computing and Informatics, together with the School of Commercial, Industrial Art and Design. We are so grateful of the numbers that we have changed in the world up to date. When we talk about the charter, it means we are having an international name that is selling and giving us the success to change the world academically. The office I'm in is the Office of Academic Registry, and our work is mainly to bring in the student, take him through a training and ensure what he or she receives is appropriate and worthy for the value that he or she has paid for. So welcome all those people out there to come and join us. Our programs are very attractive, and in the attractiveness, they're marketable. People have changed their lives, and they're improving from time to time. Please feel free, join us in our different sessions. We have the day program, which runs from Monday to Friday, 8 to 5 p.m. We have a weekend program, which runs from Saturday to Sunday. We also have a weekend program, which runs from Monday to Friday from 4:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. We also have a very special package referred to as a distance program, which is a program blended. It has both online classes and physical classes. It's very attractive and mainly for those people who are already in the field. So please feel free to join Nkumba University for all kinds of academic progress. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
Yes, Nkumba, you lead the way. You were chosen for the service of the Lord.